The most important fact to be aware of is, first of all, there are certain practice areas that are always going to be marketable. Things like litigation is always marketable. You can always find most firms do litigation. So that's important to understand. Most firms do litigation. So if you're interested in doing litigation, for example, you can always find a firm that does that. When you get into very specialized practice areas, you're talking about pharmacy, for example, say you were a patent attorney specialized in drugs, you would be very marketable if you could find a firm that did that kind of work, because there's not. So the more specialized your practice area, often the easier it is to get a job. So an example might be if you are like an ERISA attorney, like there's not a lot of ERISA attorneys. So if you're an ERISA attorney, it's often much easier to find a job than if you're in any other practice area, because there's just not a lot of people like you, but there's going to be fewer jobs. So the more specialized your practice area, the more likely you are to get jobs.